You've watched trade after trade vanish, 50% of your account gone, and you're stuck wondering, what am I even doing wrong? If that pain hits home, listen close. I'm your trading guide for realistic, disciplined growth. You should stick with this because this is about building skills, not chasing illusions. If you've struggled to find consistency, this track is your first real step. I have been using a reliable AI assistant named MaxBot in my work for a long time. It reads the market and gives recommendations with detailed information on key indicators. Right now, I will make some trades in which this neural network will help me. You will see the results on your screens, friends. I will invest 1 to 2% of the amount in my pocket, clearly following money management. By the way, for 1 month, you can get this robot for free and forever. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Right now, you can click on the Trial Signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try the trading bot today. So I started working on a 1-minute time frame, the currency pair dollar-franc. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. To not miss new, useful content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Like and comment, your feedback is important to us. I have another very good news for you guys. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages via the link in the description below the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial consultant. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Early on, I poured capital into every sure thing signal. I blew multiple small accounts. I was chasing that fantasy fast win, just like someone hitting roulette powered by hope. That ended when I discovered the Signals Assistant, my analytics partner. I committed to 1 to 2% risk, logged every move, tracked performance. Over time, my equity curve straightened. No fireworks, just quiet, reliable progress. Most traders jump impulsively, see a spike, feel FOMO, dump capital. They treat charts like a lottery ticket, convinced 1 mega win will fix everything. That's a broken pattern driven by emotion, not logic. You're not in a Michael Bay action scene, you're building a career, brick by brick. Ignoring discipline is like running a marathon with no training. How to act correctly. Concrete steps. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade, no exceptions. Use your assistant to confirm entries, volatility, trend, momentum. Stick to multi-time frame validation. Log every trade, entry, reasoning, result, emotional state. Review weekly, identify patterns, adapt strategy, rinse, repeat. The Signals Assistant MaxBot simplifies complex data, highlighting setups and filtering noise. It's like having a technical co-pilot that keeps you disciplined when emotions spike. It doesn't guarantee profits, but it enforces structure and consistency for those who use it. Last week, it flagged a Euro-USD trade, momentum aligned with a trend reversal on the chart. Risked $10 on a $1,000 account, 1%. I followed the assistant's entry plan, closed for an $8 gain. That was one disciplined, structured move. And these small wins compound faster than rare jackpot shots. Here's the deal. You can claim this assistant free forever, but only within the next 30 days. After that, it goes behind a subscription paywall. Prime window. Miss it, and this full-featured setup costs you later. If you want smarter trades and better consistency, smash that like if this speaks to you. Comment below. How are you managing your entry rules, risk, and analysis? What indicators do you rely on? Subscribe for real strategies, not hype. Check the description. There's a link to grab your free Signals Assistant now. Discipline beats desperation. Systems beat shortcuts. You've got the structure, the tool, and the chance. Now, step forward, claim it, and build the future you deserve. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. Link in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. I share my experience. It is not financial advice. I show how I do it. In today's digital markets, forecasting economic turbulence has evolved from gut instincts to real-time intelligence powered by AI, big data, and satellite insights. Gone are the days of waiting for GDP reports or echo chambers. Now machine learning models scan thousands of signals from commodity flows to shipping patterns to identify stress before it hits headlines. We've seen breakthroughs in natural language processing parsing central bank communications for sentiment shifts. Think of it like tuning in to whisper headlines in advance. Quant funds aggregate sentiment from social media, corporate filings, and even weather data to flag stress points in industries before classic indicators break. There's a fundamental shift. What used to take months now surfaces in minutes or hours. Why that matters for you. As a trader, you're no longer blind to macro upheavals. Your Signals Assistant and tools can integrate early warning data to avoid setups during systemic risk spikes. When everyone else chases volatile moves, you're already pulled back, protecting your capital. And if you do engage, you're doing so on informed grounds rather than panic. In essence, forecasting crises with advanced tech puts you in the driver's seat. It interrupts herd momentum, preserves capital, and opens the door to high-conviction setups when volatility confirms your bias, not when it grabs headline attention weeks later. In the meantime, I'm almost done with work, folks. I'll be reaching the finish line very soon. You've seen all my results on your screens. Did you enjoy this video? Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and be sure to subscribe to the Telegram channel at the link in the description to be the first to know the most important events. Get the robot for free and forever within this window of opportunity. And of course, we'll see you again soon. More to come.